Hello guys, today's video is about how to fit a pin lock on Shoei Neotec 2 helmet. You'll see this pouch with your helmet. It fits on cw-1, cns-1, cwr-1 and cns-3, which is shoei-gt-air 1100, gt-air-1, Neotec 1, shoei-nxr, and this one is for shoei-nxr, it's for Shoei Neotec 2, which is this model here, Shoei Neotec 2. To remove a visor, just open this and can see this lever, so pull that and you can easily take your visor. Same on the other side, easily take your visor. Make sure your visor is clean before you do that. So peel the packaging. The main reason to make this video is some people still asking, oh, it's a not clear pin lock, it got something blue on it. So just make sure there's a clean film on it. So if you just take that away, it comes off nice and easy. There's grooves which will fit straight into this pin. So just put the pin in. Same on the other side. You can bend the visor slightly, it's a bit flexed, don't push it too far. You'll hear a nice click. You can see it's done. Yeah, so now when you breathe on it, if you breathe here, I'll show you, it gets steamy. If I breathe in the middle, there's no steam at all. You can see again. Yeah, so now I'll fit on a visor, on a helmet. So you just push these top grooves in first, pull that slightly, it's on. Same on the other side, push these top grooves bits in the groove first, pull it slightly, you'll hear a nice sound. That's on. Thank you very much.